Hi all, welcome back to Mathematics Online class. We are discussing the chapter multiples and factors, and we already studied what is multiples. The even multiples and odd multiples. The next topic is common multiples. Some numbers are the multiples of 2 or 3 digits, 2 or 3 numbers. How will you find out that the common multiples? It is so easy. Okay, first we need to find out the common multiples of 2 and 3. You need to find out the common multiples of 2 and 3. So first you need to write the multiples of 2. We already know how to write the multiples of 2. Just the multiplication table. 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18 and 10 2s are 20. These are the multiples of 2. Next we need to write the multiples of 3. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30. So we need to find out the first 2 or 3 multiples, common multiples only. So which are the common numbers here? Just listen, just check it which are the common numbers. Yes, here it is 6, here also 6. Then again, which is the next one? Yes, here it is 12, here it is 12. That's common numbers, okay, same numbers. Then anything, yes, 18, 18. The first 3 common multiples of 2, 3 are 6, 12 and 18 are the common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay, it is so easy, no? One more example I'll show you. Find the common multiples of 3 and 5. Okay, you need to find out the common multiples of 3 and 5. So first you need to write the multiples of 3. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30. Next you need to write the multiples of 5. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Next you need to find out the common multiples. Which are the common multiples? Check whether which are the two numbers are same. Yes, 15 and 15. Okay, so first common multiple is 15. Next, which is the next one? Check. Which is the next one? 30, isn't it? 30 and 30. So first two common multiples of 3 and 5 are 15 and 30. Okay, so it is so easy to write the common multiples. You need to write the multiplication table of the both numbers and which you need to find out which are the common numbers, same numbers. Then it is so easy to get the common multiples. Okay, then the next topic we are going to study is factors. It is also so easy, but here also I already told you multiplication table is very important. The next topic is factors. Actually, what is factors? For example, I am writing one multiplication. 3 5s are 50. Here, this 15 is the multiple. Okay, we already studied that it is 15. The answer, the product is called a multiple. So, this 3 and 5, the number which is being multiplied, is called a factor. So, we can say that 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Okay, 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. One more example I will show you. 6 into 4, 24. Here 24 is the multiple and the 6 and 4 is the factors. Okay, so we can say that 6 and 4 are the factors of 24. The number which is being multiplied for getting that answer. Okay, the number which is being multiplied for getting the answer as 15. These numbers are called factors. So this 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Here 6 and 4 are the factors of 24. Here also you need to study some properties. Okay, here also you need to study some properties. Okay, the first property is that 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, so all the numbers we can multiply, isn't it? 1 into 4, 4. So 1 is a factor of all the numbers here. 1 is a factor of 4. Okay, all the numbers in the multiplication table is starting with 1. So 1 is a factor of every number. The second property is that the number itself is the factor of every number. The number itself is the factor of every number. For example, here 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 is the number itself. Okay, this number itself is the factor of every number. Okay, any number. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. So 10 is a factor of this 10. So the first property is that 1 is a factor of every number. The second property is that the number itself is the factor of every number. Then the third property is that the smallest factor is 1. So the smallest factor of a number will be 1 only. The smallest factor is 1. Okay, the fourth property is that the greatest factor, okay, the greatest factor is the number itself. The number itself. The greatest factor is the number itself. So these are the four properties. The first property is that 1 is a factor of every number. The second property, the number itself is the factor of every number. The third property, smallest factor is 1. And the fourth property is that the greatest factor is the number itself. Okay. Then the next we are going to study how to find out the factors. Okay, I'll show one small example. Suppose 8. Okay, we need to find out the factors of 8. We need to find out the factors of 8. So what we need to do? So we normally we know the multiplication table. In which all the multiplication table 8 comes as the answers. So 1 into 8, 8. That all of you know, 1 into 8. In next, in 2's table is there any 8? Yes, isn't it? 2 4s are 8. In 3's table is there is an 8? No. What about the 4's table? Yes, already we written 4 2s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. Same. Then 5's table is there any 8? No. 6 tables? No. 7? No. 8? 8 1s are 8, that we already written. Okay. 9? No. So what we need to know, look, you need to look at all the multiplication table. In which of the multiplication table the number comes as the multiple. Okay, so we can write in order, in ascending order we need to write. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8. One more example, suppose it is 12. Okay, 12. So, every number is a multiple of 1. So, we can write for all the numbers, we can write this one. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Next, in 2's table. We need to go in that order. 2's table. Yes. 2 into 6. 12. Okay. 3's table. All of you please tell the 3's table in your mind. Yes. 3 4s are 12. Okay. Then 4's table. 4 3s are 12. We already written. 5's table. No. 6's table. 6 2s are 12. That we already written. 7's table. No. 8 tables. No. 9 table. No. So it is over. So we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. So listen here. 1 is the smallest factor. 12 is the number itself is the greatest factor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. Clear? So this way we can find out the factors of every number. But whenever the greatest number has come, you should be very careful. Suppose a question has come 54. Find the factors of 54. Okay, how will you find out the factors of 54? So if all the even numbers are the factors of 2. Okay, all the even numbers are factors of 2. Okay, so 1 into 54 we can write first 54. Okay, 1 into 54, 54. Next, it is an 54 as an even number. So it surely that will be the factor of 54. So we need to divide and find out. Okay, 54 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 14. So remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0 means it is, the 2 will be a factor of 54. So we can write 2 into 27 is equal to 54. Next 3. We need to divide by 3. We need to check all the numbers. Okay. 3. 1 3 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 24. 8 3s are 24. Yes. 3 is also a factor of 54. So 3 into 18 is a factor of 54. What about 4? Divided by 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Next number 14. 4 3 is 12. 4 minus 2 is 2. No. Okay, here remainder is 2. Whenever remainder is 0, then only the number will be the factor. Okay, so the remainder is 2. So it is not possible. What about 5? 5 we no need to check whether the ones place number is 0 or 5 only. We need to look. Okay, then 6. 6 in the table itself we know that, isn't it? 6, otherwise you can divide and find out. Okay, 6. 6. Okay, so here also the remainder is 0. So 6 into 9 is 54. What about 7? 7 table? No. 8 table? No. 9 table we already written. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, 54 are the factors of 54. So look here, the 1 is the smallest factor and 54 is the greatest factor. So whenever you are getting the higher numbers, what you need to do? You need to divide with all the numbers and find out. You need to divide with the numbers. If the remainder is 0, that means the numbers are the factors. If the remainder is not 0, other than 0, that means it is not a factors. Okay, so this way you need to find out the answers. Okay, last one more example I'll show you. After that you need to do some questions. Okay, so last one question. For example, if it is 72, find the factors of 72. How will you find out? 1 into 72, we already know that it is 72. Next we need to begin with 72 divided by 2, 72 divided by 3, 72 divided by 4. Okay, so 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Yes, so 2 into 36 is equal to 72. Next 3. 2 3s are 6. 12. 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 12 minus 12 is 0. Here also 3 into 24 is also a factor. Next 4. 1 4 is 4. 0. Next, sorry. 7 minus 4 is 3. 32. 8 4s are 32. So 8 4. Yes, that is also 4 into 18 is also 72. Next 5 no need to look because it is not 0 or not it is any other 5 or not. So 5 next 6. 72 divided by 6. Okay, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so 6 also, that is 6 into 12 is also 72. Next is 7. Okay, 2 is less than, so it is not a. Next 8. 9 8s are 72. So already it is there. Okay, so 8 into 9. Okay. Okay, so it's over. So which are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72 are the factors of 72. Okay, so these all are the factors of 72. So this way you need to divide with all the numbers up to 9 and you need to find out which all the numbers are the factors. Okay, so we will do so many examples in our live session. Watch the video very carefully 1 or 2 times. Okay, so study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.